Hi guys, welcome to Techduo channel, and today we are gonna unbox a Boya BY-M1 lavalier mic, and here we have it. Now let's take a look around it. In this side we have the names of the compatible devices for this mic: smartphones, camcorders, DSLR and audio recorders. And behind we have the features and the specifications of the mic. Now let's unbox it. We got a black pouch, and inside we have the mic, and then we have a warranty card, and also we have a manual. Inside we have some more stuff. Let's take it out. We got a collar clip, and inside this we have windscreen, a wind mark, a battery and a 1x4 jack. Here we have the accessories we got with the mic. Now let's take it out. We have a battery, and then inside we have windscreen, and we got a wind muff, and the last one is the 1x4 jack. In this packet we have a collar clip, now let's fix everything together. First let's fix the windscreen to the mic, and then let's fix the collar clip. Now let's take the collar clip and fix. In this we have two modes, one to connect with the smartphone and the other to connect with the camera. And then if you are going to connect this to a DSLR camera, first you have to remove this and put the battery in. We have to put the battery inside this, and the battery is given with the microphone. This is the battery we got, and you have to put this inside. After you put it, you have to change the mode for camera. The past 5 minutes you was watching the video which was given voice using this mic. The mic is really good and it gives less background noise too. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe Techduo channel.